Hey, this is Dave, and today we need to talk about AI video generation. I recently just got the new Sora from ChatGPT. I got one of those invites that we all want to get. I was able to get one. I'm going to walk you through how it works, what it looks like on the interface, so that you guys can use it and know what to expect when doing it. AI video generation is changing like you wouldn't believe. We have Gemini that just came out with its AI video generation, and now this invite from ChatGPT with Sora. You're going to see how this all impacts everything that's going on in this space. And as you start to use it, you have to figure out how you want to use it. One of my colleagues was using Mid-Journey and then animating that. That's a way of using it, but there's all kinds of different ways. Let's look at how ChatGPT and Sora is working in the AI video space. Hi, this is Dave, and we're looking at Sora. And what I'm going to show you now is an example of how Sora works and where it goes. This is the Sora interface. It's sitting here, and they've done it with a lot of funny cartoons that you can make. So let's watch this cartoon or this video as you did it.
With the turkey, KP.
Relax, I've got it.
Watch. Still count. It's serving, right?
So all of this is AI generated, and it's really interesting how they've started to do it and really made it. They've started to grab a hold of what's going on, and they did it. And they did a straightforward interface. It's like an Instagram where you can go and look at different videos, see what's on the top videos or what's in the leaderboard and who's making them. You can make cameos of yourself and have yourself be in the videos as they do it. And it depends on how you want to do that and you want to be pictured. Like there's this one here.
Oh, no, please don't cut me down. No.
Did that tree
No,
just...
please don't. No! Please don't. I love the sky and the
All
snow.
right, we won't.
Oh, no.
So they have done it a little bit funny as they do it, but you can see the generation. It really sees it. One of my colleagues had one of his colleagues having a hot dog and a cop pulled him over as he was driving. So you can really do this stuff as you start to do that. There's also a syncing with cameras. Then there's your profiles. I made something about Thanksgiving dinner, and I thought it was funny because I wanted to show what would happen at Thanksgiving dinner if there was a food fight. So let me show you what happened here.
Pass the gravy, please. Here you go.
Oh, yeah? Whoa! Food fight!
Pass the gravy, please.
And you can really do some funny stuff as you do it. I also was recently going through TSA, and I always wanted to be that guy that basically took that water and instead of throwing it out, pouring it over myself to see what TSA would do. So I made a video and I said, what would TSA do if it did that? Let's see on this one with a TSA person and a woman going through carrying a bottle of wine.
Hold up, ma'am. Step back through. Beeping means something's on you. Yep, liquids. You'll need to throw those out.
Are you
yes,
serious?
ma'am. Bin's right here. That's enough. Detain her.
So you can see it's going on that funny side, but it can really get into doing other things as you start to do it. But AI video is changing. The more we look at it, the more it's going to enhance. Sora is the beginning of what ChatGPT is doing. It's using its models to do it. And you can add your own characters. You can add your own stuff as you do it. And you can really make things. When your team's going to win a playoffs or something else, you can make a celebration video. And you can have the dogs as audience. You can have it rubber ducks flying in the air and everything else, which is really cute, but the Jets are never going to win. And the New York Jets are not a very good team in the football, but they can really do that. This is how Sora is starting to change. Each one's doing it differently. They're going for the Instagram platform, and you can like others, you can connect, and everything else. But as you start thinking about this, where's the direction going to go? I think this has the potential to go in all kinds of different ways as we think about it. This is AI video generation, and I'm Dave from Innovative Life. This is Sora from ChatGPT. It's invite only at this point. If somebody wants an invite, you can reach out. I can give you one. I have one left. But really, as we think about it, this is really going to be the beginning of how we're going to see more and more videos going this way as we do it. And is it going to be funny platforms like this or more serious as we figure it out? Give me your comments and thoughts. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.